Welcome to another Range Rover owner technical video. Today we're looking at replacing the key case of a 2010 to 2012 Range Rover. These were used on the Vogue as well as the Sport and other models of the Land Rover range of that era. The first generation cases had this rubberized casing that over the years started to peel away. Land Rover saw this as a fault and developed a replacement key case which you can buy direct from Land Rover. This is the part that arrives. Not very expensive, about £12 off eBay or from your Land Rover dealership. Comes in two halves. You have a replacement top casing and a replacement bottom casing. So the original casing, as I say, was a rubberized finish that peels away. The replacement casing is a solid plastic replacement hard case. So the first thing we need to do is we need to split away split apart the old key. So we just pull out the emergency key there, just slides out, and then using a small screwdriver we're going to open up where the battery compartment is. So you just press and hold in here. So we press and hold, and the other side of the key should open. There we go. So the other side of the key opens up to reveal the battery casing, and the battery is held in place in a drawer, which will slide out like so. And we'll remove this and put this to one side. To remove the other side, what we have to do now is we have to split the casing open. So there's no screws that hold this together. It's just a case of using a screwdriver to prise the casing apart, and you can see it coming apart there. So just prise the top from the bottom. There you go, you can see it coming apart. There we go. Now you can see the insides of the key. So we have the outer shell, we have the emergency key side of the shell, we have the back cover with the water seal, we have the circuit board, and we have the spring-loaded mechanism that releases the side key. That all these bits we have to transfer over to the new key. So what we'll do now is we'll just slowly take them apart. So this metal piece here. So I find I reassemble things as I take them apart so we know exactly where they go. So take it out, clean it up, and slot it straight back into the new key. So that's that side. The metal section here, metal clip here. Again, just slides. Straight back in. Just prise the circuit board out gently. Looks like it's held in place with a couple of pegs on this side. So just gently release that. Slot it back in. The mechanism here, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it's actually spring loaded. So there is a spring at the back here that provides the force for it to close. So I don't know if you can see on the camera, but there is a small clip here. So we just release that clip and then pull gently towards you, and that removes the button. The button is spring loaded, so there's a small spring here. Which we'll reassemble. And then that is everything removed from the old switch casing. So we'll put that to one side. Then it's a case of reassembly. So we get the spring, put the spring in place. We get the button, line it up. And there we go. That's now back in place. Okay, the last thing to move over is the rubber water seal here. So this just gently prizes off, and then this is then finished with. Take the new outer casing, the new rear case, and slowly and gently ease the seal over the edge. There's little tabs, I don't know if you can see on the video, but there's little tabs all the way around which hold the seal down, like so. And then it's just a case of putting the key back in place, back together like so, the outer key, align everything back up. The battery tray, slide the battery tray back in place, clip it all back together, and then take the outer case and click it in. And then that's your Range Rover key, fully reassembled. No more rubberized mess. So a brand new hard case, makes the key look brand new. Everything still functions, key pops out still. Finished. Thanks very much for watching this video. There'll be lots more technical videos on our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks very much. Bye bye.